Don't you know it's true?
Yes, it is.
How are you, man? All good? I'll come early in the evening. We'll go for a movie.
Yeah, okay, dear.
Hey, what's the time now?
Hey, it's 10:30.
What time should we be here?
I should come here by 9:30.
Why? You could have had your meals and then come here.
Yeah, I'll do that from tomorrow.
You will
Yeah,
do
yeah,
that, I'm
ladies,
sure.
come here. Come.
Listen.
Yeah, what do you want?
Give me some medicine as soon as possible.
Huh?
My hands are paining, my legs are paining. I have a headache. I cannot sleep. Can you give me some sleeping pills? I can sleep
Yeah,
at
I'll
night.
give you. Yeah, have this. You will sleep forever.
Blessing my child for
Yeah,
giving me
thank
the
you, thank you.
medicine.
No. Hey, he's trying to kill you.
Oh my God.
Yeah, tell me. What do you want?
I want.
Yeah.
That mean. What I.
Tell me.
What I mean.
Okay. I got it.
Hello. Dear. Yeah.
Yeah, have this.
Yeah, I'm on the way.
Yeah, what do you want?
Today? I don't think it's possible, dear.
Hello, have you done talking? Give me 100 rupees.
Yeah, tell me, dear.
Brother, I'll just come in 1 minute.
You just came now.
Hey, it is coming, man.
I don't know what is wrong with you. Okay, come quick.
Okay, 1 masala dosa and 1 tea. Okay, 1 masala dosa and 1 tea. 1 masala dosa. Reverse. Why have you come this side? I'm asking you.
Sister, she wanted me to buy these medicines.
She didn't tell me anything.
Oh, you know her that well, is it? Even I know her.
Okay, go and tell her that I will bring it.
Okay, boss, have the key.
And tomorrow try to come early, man.
Sure, boss.
Yeah.
You told me that you'll be giving my salary today.
Yeah, you will never forget to ask these things, nah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
Boss, 5,000? My salary is 6,000.
That is for the guy who comes early in the morning and opens the shop. For him, not you. Whenever you have opened the shop late, I've deducted 100 rupees. At least now you should try and open the shop at the right time. Otherwise, you'll lose the entire money, man.
Boss,
What is your problem, man?
you told you will give salary.
Have it. What are you counting, man? Are you wondering why I didn't deduct your salary? If I deduct your salary, what will happen, you know? You will simply faint and fall down. Keep one thing in mind. Be careful and try opening the shop in the morning itself.
Okay,
and
boss.
if you don't come on time, your salary
Oh my
will be
God.
deducted.
I will take
so
a bus.
come and
You can
open
leave,
the shop in the morning itself.
Sure.
Good night, boss.
Hey, buddy. Out of 6,000, if he deducts 1,000 rupees, then how can I run my family?
Yes, you are right, brother. You have a family. And he gives salary only by 15th of the month. I know.
Even a small-time key shop owner will definitely earn more than me, buddy. I am really upset about my life.
Hey, listen. Why can't you open the shop at the right time? What is your problem with
You're
that?
not married, so you don't know. Morning, I have to wake up my children. I have to take them to the toilet. I have to bath them, make them eat, dress them up, and then take them to the school. I have lot of work, buddy. You are a single person.
Hey, why are you saying that? He gives only 4,000 and that's not enough for me. It's been 6 months since I came here.
For you, it's only 6 months. I am facing difficulty for a long time, you know. This job is good for nothing for me.
Yeah, what was your salary then?
5,000.
You are getting that only now.
I was telling you my story. Can't you hear it properly in the night?
Brother.
Yes, dear. What? Is it night show? No way, it's not possible. Please try to understand, dear. Okay, we'll go. When you're going to
Hello.
come?
100 rupees. Hey, I have to go now.
Just came now.
That girl stays alone. Nobody is there. And no neighbors also.
Which area is she staying?
Hey, near that canal. Remember that drainage system? There only.
That bad smell is coming till our place, you know.
It's not the bad smell of that. This is your sambar. It was cooked 3 days before.
What are you doing?
Please, I cannot control myself.
You're telling the same thing every day.
Oh, my sweet.
Go. Hey, no. Brother, I want to see. Go away. Oh, what a scene, what a scene, what a scene.
Buddy, since my wife ran away from me, I have never seen such a scene for a long time in my life, buddy.
What, your wife ran away?
Yes, buddy.
Did she write any letter for you?
She's not written anything.
Didn't she get time to write a letter also?
Buddy, I myself am not worried since my wife left and ran away from me. Why are you so worried about that? Just see that. See how the boy and girl are enjoying their life. Buddy, there is no meaning for our birth itself, buddy.
Why are you joining me also in your team? My life is going well only. Hey, come on. You don't need all this in your age.
It's over, buddy.
It's over long time back. He is ready for next one.
You look so beautiful
You're
today,
naughty.
Give it. Brother, you go there. I'll go here.
Okay.
Yeah. Powder tin, huh? Brother,
What?
shall I take this table fan?
Don't take any big items. Just take small items which will go inside our bag, okay?
Okay, brother. Brother.
Oh, what do you want?
There is cash.
Cash. Just see how much is it?
5,000 rupees. Brother, our monthly salary, she got in one day.
For that, we should have bought us a girl, buddy. Don't take it, just keep it there itself.
Why, brother?
Buddy, if small things are lost, they will not give any police complaint. But if money is lost, then immediately they will give a complaint. Don't take it, just keep it from where you have taken. Okay?
Okay.
Do one thing. Just take the small bell. That will be really helpful for us. That can be sold for at least 70 rupees. Old silk sarees, silk dhotis and silk cloth. Even if it is stone, it is not problem. We will take it for a good rate. So sisters, please do come. You're all welcome. You will not get this opportunity again. This is a great deal, you know. Old silk sarees and dhotis.
Yeah, tell me. There is a new girl in your house. Who is that?
She's my relative of mine. Now, why are you asking?
Nothing. I saw her yesterday. That's why I asked. Oh.
She doesn't belong to this town. She's from a void family. If a family ever gets to know the essential body parts on your body will missing, so be careful.
I simply asked, what am I going to do?
Boss, the paste which is used by your family, does it have salt?
Why are you asking?
Because they can use this. This is called salt, boss.
Whether my family brushes their teeth or not, what is your problem, you idiot? Do your job, man.
Sorry.
You bloody baldy.
Boss, in the list it says it should be 10, but there is only 9.
Hey, count it properly, man.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only.
Shit. Huh? They are making mistake while
Yeah,
packing
see
itself.
this, no? They are cheating us. Keep it.
Cheating in packing itself. All the silk sarees.
Now listen, I won't be in town with my family. We'll be back only after 2 days. Till then, take care of the shop properly, okay? If there is any loss of stock or money, I'll roast you guys, okay? I've taken 5,000 bucks from the locker. Please make a note of it.
Boss, please pray for all of us, boss.
I'll try.
My dear boss,
What's your problem now?
get me something from the temple.
I'll see, but I'll deduct it from your salary.
Headache is gone.
Please give headache medicine.
Hey, we don't have medicine for headache.
Then give me medicine for cold.
For cold, you can just go to the wine shop and have a peg, okay?
What? You don't have medicine for cold? You don't have medicine for headache?
Just for time pass, we cannot give any medicine. Just get lost.
Brother, it's been a month since I got married. Nothing has happened yet. Do you have any medicine for that?
Buddy, just go to the best stand. They will sell it. Just one is enough. Everything will be okay.
Come on, man. Let's go to a different shop. These guys will say no to anything you ask. I don't know
Get
why
lost,
these
get
guys
lost,
are working
get
in this
lost,
medical
get lost,
shop.
buddy.
Stupid
Yeah.
fellows.
Now it's time for enjoyment.
Brother, in this whole world, you must be the first person to smell a condom packet for drinks.
Buddy, it's strawberry flavored. It's really strong. I have not used this for the past 4 years. Dotted condoms. 1, 2,
Brother,
4.
why does our boss always do nothing but scolding us?
Actually, he just want to show that he's very strict in front of the little laborers.
I think he has brain problem.
But I think he's got piles problem.
He keeps cutting our salary, no? We will do something.
Wait and see.
Ah, thu.
I think he got all these cups by selling condoms. Why are you spitting in the entire house? Hey, buddy! Time is running out. Just complete the work. Let's go.
I don't want to do anything.
Hey, just get up. Come, let's go. Quick.
It's a cab. More alcohol. From now onwards, it will be urine bottle.
What are you doing? Come fast. We are already late.
Yeah, coming
Hold
here.
tightly, okay? Come.
Just come fast. Once you go inside, lock the door properly. Yeah, let's go, dear.
I want some water.
There's no water.
Then give me some tea.
There's no milk either.
Hello. Yeah, I'll come now.
I am cursed. You were born in this womb of mine. I went searching all over the place to find a good girl for you, and you lost some other man.
I cannot face people now.
Are you anywhere over here to hear this?
You have lost your entire life.
Hey, you old lady. She ran away for the past 4 years. You're again and again telling the same old story.
What? Why are you talking as if she went out to buy some clothes for herself? She ran away with somebody.
She has 2 growing up children. How can she even think about leaving her family? She will die a horrible death.
Bring it fast. Come on, quick. One more, please. One more dosa for me, for me. One more dosa. Hey, what is this, dear? The dosa you made just now is looking like a small tar road, dear. What's wrong? Can't you see this with your eyes properly, dear?
See, my blouse is torn. See, the sari also torn. And you're also the blind to see all this. You shut up and eat what I serve. Otherwise, buy good sari for me. I will make good food for you. Huh?
Just one extra dosa I asked her for me. Just one dosa because I'm feeling hungry.
My son has not been eating breakfast. He is crying of hunger. This is how you treating my son. He's your husband
Just shut
also.
up. I told just shut up. I have been wearing same dress for 1 year. He cannot even buy a new clothes for me. This burnt dosa is more enough for your son. Instead of marrying your son, if I marry the shop owner next to my house, at least I would have get nice clothes daily. This is my fate. Huh?
Uncle, I lost my keys, uncle.
Buddy,
Stop,
what
please,
happened?
Uncle. Please come and help, uncle.
No, I
uncle, please open, uncle. Before the owner comes, uncle. Please, uncle. Uncle,
I
please,
said
uncle.
go,
Please,
go,
uncle. Please,
go away
uncle,
from here.
uncle,
Just go.
please. Uncle, please, uncle. Owner will come, uncle. Please open, uncle.
Just
Please,
open
uncle.
my shop
No time,
now.
uncle.
Just
Please,
go.
please,
Get lost.
Uncle.
Okay, I'll come.
Come on. Fast, uncle. Come on. Come fast, uncle. Come. We are already late, uncle. Come. Uncle, hurry up, uncle. Before the owner comes, open the shutter, uncle. Uncle, please, uncle. No time.
What's so urgent? What's so urgent? I'll open it, right? Oh my God! You stupid fellow, you don't know the entrance of your shop? Huh?
Uncle,
Now it's
I
double
was in
job
a
for
hurry,
me.
uncle. Sorry, uncle. Entrance is this side, uncle. Please
Okay,
open
get
it.
lost.
Uncle, you are really God, uncle. You saved my life. Thank you so
In
much.
this entire area, I can open any lock with my key, okay? Now start your job. Come on, quick. Now where is he running? So much owners for a small shop? Small shop, big partnership. What is this? One partner is running with one box? I think they're going for some home delivery if I'm right. Buddy! Hey, buddy! You've not taken your cycle. Why are the partners lifting from their own shop? Huh? Confusion? Oh my God! There's no one inside the shop. Which means they're not partners, they're thieves.
Why don't you buy me better clothes to wear? I'll make some better food for you.
Someone's robbing your shop. Hey, wait! Come on, let's get it. No, I don't know anything. Don't let him go. Please, believe me. I don't know anything. Please, madam, I don't know anything.
I know that you don't know anything. I will be able to catch those thieves by evening.
I know, madam, you'll catch them.
There is no relation between those guys and you. But I still didn't understand one thing.
What, madam?
How did you manage to pick up that sari?
My wife's sari is torn, so I thought I could present my wife a new sari. That is the reason I just took it.
That's okay. Whatever happened, happened. Just leave it. Sign in the register and leave.
Madam, I don't think he believed what you're saying, madam.
I'm telling you the truth, man. Just go.
No, madam. You will tell me to go long now. After that, you will try to kill me by police encounter.
Encounter.
Yes, madam.
That too you. You see a lot of serials. Hey, just to insult encounter, I can kill you also.
Okay, sorry, madam. I'll put the signature now itself. Yeah, sorry. I put my signature, madam.
He come back home after getting beaten up by the cow. At least have the courtesy asking him what happened, how it happened. Why did you even let him marry this demon? You could have just remained the bachelor throughout your life.
I am not able to control this itself. Then how can I control my wife? What is this? A bag is coming alone? Public. Just male public. Oh, this is female public. Huh? My dear wife.
Sorry, dear.
My darling.
This is my lover.
What about the children?
Please take care of them, sweetheart.
They're all too small, dear. Darling.
Brother, why are all girls like this?
What's the matter?
They can change sari every day, but they shouldn't change their man. Oh, very bad.
Buddy,
very bad.
life is...
Life is?
Is...
Yes.
Hey, what is this, buddy?
no,
Show it.
no, I
Don't try
won't
to avoid it from
I
me. Just show
won't
it, buddy.
show.
What is this, my dear? Did a dog bite you, buddy?
Dog didn't bite me.
Then what?
One ghost did.
Will a ghost bite in your chest, buddy?
Instead of chest, it should have bite my brother. If our time is bad, no, even if nothing happens, something bad will definitely happen. Dog will bite you.
This old proverb and this dog biting case, what is the relationship, buddy?
There is. Your wife ran away, no?
Yeah.
I also ran and came now. You want
Make
to
it
know?
fast.
Hey, you.
Yay! Whom did you whistle at, idiot? Sister, just tell me the
madam.
word. I'm gonna finish him right now.
madam. Sorry, madam. I saw you somewhere else.
Are you new to London?
Yes, madam.
Follow.
No. No. My God. My God. My God. That astrologer told me was right. You just dropped me and went. You want now it's
Yes.
No!
Who cares about him?
Madam, leave me, please.
Sister. Woo.
What is she bringing? Oh, no, please, leave me. Please, I don't want this. No, madam, please. No, madam. Please, madam, leave me, madam. No, madam, please, madam. It is madam. Madam, please, leave me, madam. Go, madam.
What happened, brother? You work here during the day and work there during the night? Don't you think you're working too much? You should rest a little bit.
Hey, I also want rest, but I am not able to rest. You know, she tattooed her initial on my chest.
Father, I've already spoken to you regarding this. I can't stay in London anymore. My friend's restaurant is up on sale. I have to buy the place at any cost. I'll be there next week. Arrange 10 lakh rupees. I'll talk to you later. People think we earn a lot if we work in a place like London.
He has money, restaurant, and 10 lakhs rupees. London, Kanjana, no need, go away. Oh my God. Why is she here?
Come.
Madam, my uncle is asking me to come to India.
For what?
He wants his daughter to get married to me.
Tell them you can't do it.
He said he will give me 10 lakh rupees so that I can start a business and live happily.
What did you tell them?
For the first time, somebody is going to give me 10 lakhs. All I have to do is marry his daughter.
So what?
I also agreed for the marriage, madam.
Hey! Listen to me very carefully. No one can ever take you away from me. You want to put up a shop in London, isn't it?
Yes, madam.
Come here tomorrow and pick up the money.
Thanks, madam.
Here, the 10,000 you asked.
I asked for 10 lakhs, not 10,000.
Hey, you, those are pounds. Go and change them. You get 10 lakhs rupees. Sign this agreement.
Agreement?
Yeah.
Sister, we are like one family. I have done everything for her. Tattooed her initial also. Why are you asking my sign?
That's personal. This is professional. Are you going to sign it
God,
otherwise?
I will put.
Quick!
Throw the gun to me. Thank you, sister. These many signatures. Thanks, madam.
Hey, you!
What happened, madam?
Come!
Hey, have you kept my passport?
Why did you ask me to get the plane tickets and passport
My
for you?
uncle's daughter's marriage.
But you don't have any uncle.
Then my auntie's son's marriage.
Why are you telling like, hey, stop.
Hey, if somebody asks for me, you please tell that you don't know anything about me. Even if they beat you, please don't tell.
Hey, tell me what should I tell them?
Yeah, don't tell that.
Hey, tell me something and go.
Yes?
Can I sit here?
It's your country, your bus. Please sit anywhere.
Okay,
Sit down.
Thank you. India?
Yes, Tamil Nadu.
Yeah. Nice. Do you want one? Have it.
Thank you.
You want that?
Nobody's here. My bag is also. Hey, come on. No money. Oh my God, my 10 lakhs. Oh God, my money. Nobody is here. Conductor, driver.
So you got money as a gift and that money was stolen by a white lady, right? Your story can be taken as a Hollywood movie, my dear buddy. A Hollywood actress. Hey, Hollywood actress. How are you? No need?
Side dish is over. Get some groundnuts and come.
Groundnut is not good for side dish. I don't like it, buddy.
Then you do one thing. Buy 1 quarter and come.
Good logic. I like this logic.
Very good.
I will have 1 pack. I will buy 1 bottle for you also.
Okay. Go.
I'm not able to see the steps which was here before. Bloody thieves. Thieves.
Thieves.
Did you buy alcohol?
No stock.
Why are you saying like this, brother? I want alcohol.
I can't help it.
What do you think happened over here now?
You're planning to do romance sending me. This is not fair. This is not good. No, my condition. This is not fair at all.
My dear wife, my sweet darling, I'm really missing you. Why did you go away from me? Where is it? Where is it? I had kept it inside. That night, he had slowly opened the door and tried to see her. He could hear the noise of the water because his girlfriend was having a bath. At that moment, he came just like a tiger. Even though he tried to control himself, he couldn't. My dear, my darling, he heard the noise of opening the door and his girlfriend was coming outside. She was almost half naked at that time when he met her. At that time, he gave a small romantic look to her. A velvet body. And what a beautiful thighs and legs. And with a magnetic smile too. His girlfriend was slowly coming towards her lover.
Can you make it little quick inside? Your kids wants to use washrooms. Father, are you coming out? Should I come inside?
Will you just stop it? I can't come now, okay? I'll come once my work is over. At that time, both of them were together hugging and I'm coming now.
Hey, what are you doing
That time,
inside?
both of them together. Oh, hey, I'm coming now. At that time, both of them together. They were trying to hug each other and. Where is he?
He's gone inside, Dad.
Oh, my dear wife.
Hey,
My dear boss.
come here. Yeah, keep this address and give all these medicines and come.
Okay,
Don't
boss.
be sluggish, okay? Be here fast, okay?
Okay.
Come on, take it. Now, why are you waiting, man?
Yeah,
Go
I'll go.
fast.
Yeah.
Bloody lazy fellow.
Hey, did you get the medicines? Did you get the medicines?
Yeah.
Your shop is on the next street. Does it take so long for you come from there? Thank you, stars, that I'm leaving town. Otherwise, I would skimmed you and put your skin in the cover. Go, man. Let's go, man. Idiot.
Hey, I have the key, man. Fool, get out. Get inside.
Yeah, come. Brother, shall I ask you something?
Cool, ask me.
That is, we are stealing small things. Why don't we steal something big?
Hey. Since we are doing just small thefts, we are able to do other jobs also in our life. Try to remember one point in your life. Gold duck, not cut.
I didn't understand.
For a person who's gone to London, I have to teach English. Hear it properly. Duck which is given golden eggs, don't kill it immediately. That is all.
Don't get angry. I simply asked you.
Come, let's go.
Hey, brother.
What?
Even that house is locked.
No need, buddy. Nowadays, people are afraid of the money lenders. Even if they're inside the house, they will put a gate in the lock. That is real. Buddy! Hey!
Brother!
Where are you?
Don't worry, come here.
Oh no! Hey, mosquito bat. Costly item.
If I tell about this to him, he won't let me steal it. Let me count how much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lakh rupees. I want this. Let's go. Brother, come.
Every night in my dreams I feel you. Why are you so silent, buddy?
I'm feeling sleepy.
I told you long before, one day one house is enough. You didn't listen to me. What can I do for that? Okay, go and take rest properly. See you tomorrow.
Okay, brother.
Bye.
Bye.
Every night in my dreams, I feel you.
Cash, 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs. What can I do now? What should I do with this money now? What can I do now? Oh my God! Policeman, let me go from here.
Hey! Come here, man. I say you come here. Hey, you. You come here, man. Come here. I say here. Please come close. How many times I asked you to come, man? Now you tell me. What is the time now? Afternoon, 1 o'clock. Is this the time you come to the shop? Answer my question, man. 1,000 rupees deducted from your salary. Go to your job. What are you staring, man? Hey, what are you looking at me, man? Do you want to hit me? Come. Come, man. Come on, hit me, man. Come on. Come. I'm calling you right now. Take all this and go. Stupid fella. First of all, coming late and then staring at me, huh?
Boss,
what is your problem?
let me go to my house and come, boss.
Oh, now that he has come, now you are trying to escape, huh? Hey, you both are trying to team up and do some nonsense here, huh?
Nothing like that, boss. Actually, my second son, he's not feeling well. So I just have to take him to the doctor for a normal checkup, boss.
Go, get lost and come fast.
Mom, take my 2 children immediately.
Where should I go?
To a native place, Mom.
What is it? Are you out of your mind?
If you don't leave now, I'll kill you. I'm telling you now. Please, leave immediately.
Daddy, should we also
Yes,
go?
my dear children, come on. Come, let's start.
Listen, guys, let's leave before your father could kill me. Don't forget to pack my medicines also.
Grandma, should I pack these medicines along with the clothes? I will bring all the medicines along.
Come on, quick. Get in.
Please take care of the house.
Get in inside. Come on, quick. You start the auto. Come on, quick. Don't worry. Just take care of children. I will come soon.
You don't worry.
Come on, start.
Take care, my son. I don't know what is wrong with him. What can I do, my God?
Your other friend, he said he'll be coming back immediately. Did he come till now?
He said he is going to hospital.
That's a lie, man. Let him come tomorrow. I am going to dust him left and right. You come early in the morning. Okay?
Okay, boss.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Take this. You go inside and sit. I'll come.
Okay, come fast.
Sir, it's time. We're about to leave. Please come
Yeah,
fast,
I'll
sir.
come.
Hello.
My boss, it's me only. I am talking.
Hi, dude. Why are you calling at this late hour, man?
My dear boss, I have to tell you one urgent matter.
Then say it fast, man.
Boss, in our shop, all these days medicines went missing, no? I have told you about the list, right?
Yeah, man. Even I have that doubt, seriously. Okay, why are you telling me all that in the midnight over phone?
That is because, boss, all these days me and your other employee together stole all those things.
Oh, my bloody fellows, you stupid scoundrels. You idiot.
Hey, just shut up, man.
Huh?
If I start scolding you, you will never sleep. Listen to me. Not just that, even when you went with your family to temple, we came to your house also and stole things. Not just that, in your alcohol bottle, I actually urinated. Did you drink that well? How was the taste?
You rascal. You come to the shop tomorrow, man. I'll deal with you. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey, I am not going to come to your shop from now onwards. I have started to go somewhere else. You can never catch me. If you want, give police complaint. Huh?
The number you are calling is either switched off or not reachable at the moment. The number you are calling is either switched off or not reachable at the moment. Please. The number you are calling.
You discarded my call. Wait.
Boss, I just returned from the doctor now, boss. Doctor came very late today, boss.
You idiot. You stupid fellow.
Boss.
In this midnight, which doctor will be there, man? Before telling a lie, you don't even think about it or what?
Boss, actually...
You're working with me for so many years and you're receiving the salary also from me. You have bagged medicines worth lakhs from my shop, huh? I'll see
boss,
you, man.
What are you talking? I don't know anything, boss.
Hey, your partner in crime, na? He told me everything over phone. Wherever you're going to hide now, I'll grab you and give you nice on your bloody balls. Or else I'm not your boss, man.
Hey, you stupid. You fool. You idiot. You nonsense. What will you do? What will you do? What will you do against me? Tell me, come on, what will you do? You can cut my salary. Otherwise, you go to hell. My dear boss, you fool. Fool.
The bus will stop here for 10 minutes. If anybody wants to drink or eat something, please get down, but get back soon.
Hello, ma'am.
Please sit. You are the owner of the medical shop, am I right?
Yeah, correct, madam.
Sir told me about it. The guys who were working in your shop went missing on the same day, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. This is the photo, ma'am.
You can make out that they are thieves. How did you put them at work?
That is like, but actually...
All right. What all have gone missing?
I've checked everything properly, ma'am. Nothing went missing. But since the last 2 years, without my knowledge, many medicines were actually going missing.
Oh, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
That sounds a little different. Anything else?
And I went for a temple visit with my family, ma'am. And that time they came and robbed my house.
How did they do that? You told me that nothing was missing. And now you're saying they robbed your house.
That is, they have called me and told me that they have only robbed my house. But I actually searched properly. Nothing has gone missing from my house. But,
No problem. You can tell me. We are alone here.
yes, ma'am. Is there any actually bad smell from my body, ma'am?
No, nothing of that sort. Why are you asking?
That is because in the brandy bottle as well as the Detot bottle, they have actually urinated. I am actually understanding what you're thinking, ma'am. I actually take 10 times bath a day. But 15 times I also vomit, ma'am. But still, I get a feel that urine smell is around me. I feel like that, ma'am.
How do I take this as a complaint?
You can actually register it as a fake case, na?
Sir told me I'll take care of it. You may leave now.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. And, ma'am, please don't leave them. Somehow you grab them, ma'am.
Where will they go? Must be stuck in some lodge somewhere. I'll let you know when we catch them. You may leave now.
Thanks, ma'am.
Hey, who are you? Why are you beating me? Hey, hello. What is the problem? Brother, boss, sir, why are they beating me?
Hey, bring him to me. Where is it?
What, sir?
Where is it?
What is where, sir?
Hey, don't play around. Just tell me where it is.
What do I want to say?
My blood pressure's already high.
Sir, you have blood pressure. You look really tall. Orbital 40. You should take it 3 times a day. You will be fine, sir.
I'm gonna kill you. Are you gonna tell me or not?
Keep the gun down, sir. I actually don't know what you are asking me. Whatever you want, you can ask me, sir.
Stop joking with me! Who is she?
She is my lover.
Shit. You did whatever you wanted to. Now you say you're in love. Hey, take her out of this place.
Hey, don't touch her. Stop. Go back. Go. Surekha, you can leave.
What about you?
I have 10 minutes of work here. I will finish it and come. Go. I am honestly telling you, I don't know what you're asking me. Please leave me, please.
Hey!
Rowdy sir, you can definitely beat me, but please tell me why you are beating me. My body is paining, sir.
Hey, buddy. You are getting beatings only for the past 1 hour, buddy. But they are beating me for the past 2 days. See my position.
Brother,
Tell me,
how did you come here?
how did you come here? The same way I also came here.
I am telling you the truth. I don't know how I came here.
Even I don't know how I came here, buddy.
Ask them to leave.
Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't hit me, sir. Please. Don't hit me.
Stop it! Pluck their eyeballs out and come and see me later.
Sir, I will tell you the truth, sir. We were trying to take a bus from one place to another. 20 beer bottles, 5 biryani packets, all together including condom expense. 40,000 rupees I spent. Balance 4,60,000 I have.
Hey! Don't irritate me again and again!
I am saying the truth, sir. I have only 4,60,000 with me.
Just shut up! Where is the box?
What box? You mean rice box, sir?
Hey, if you don't tell me the truth right now, I will scatter your brains on the walls here.
You want only box. You don't want our bag?
What will I do with your bag?
So which means, sir, you don't require the bag. You just require the box, right?
What will I do with your bag? It's of no use to me.
Sir, if I tell you something, you will get surprised.
What is that?
We are not the people whom you want. You have kidnapped us wrongly.
Sir, the box you mentioned now, I swear, sir, we don't have that. We steal only soap box and powder box, sir. Yeah. We are stealing only small things in our life, sir.
Shit! Stop it! Get him here! The box that I'm asking about went missing from him.
I've seen this boy somewhere, buddy.
I also remember seeing him some night. Hey, I remember very well now. Hey, you came to that girl's house at night, no? Come on, you are really great, buddy. In that small gap itself, you did so much with that girl.
If not at this stage, then when it is possible, bro?
Where is the girl now, buddy? How did you both get connected, buddy?
Only in that thing.
Stop it, bro. I'm really feeling shy.
Hey, stop it! Are you romancing? Are you both in love with each other? Then get married. Look here, listen. I'm asking you one last time. Where's the box?
Which box, sir?
Hey, beat these three to pulp.
Don't hit me. Please, buddy, don't hit me. No, it's really
A box like this.
Look at this. You have the box with you and then you are beating us asking where the box is. This is not fair.
Hey, I'm not talking about this box. A box which looks like this.
There are lot of boxes just like this. Many different flavors also. They have offer. Buy 2 get 1 free.
Buy 2 get 1 free.
Yeah, yes.
You'll get it in a medical store. Hey, do you know how much this box is for?
55 rupees with the GST 61.
Hey, this box is worth 1 crore rupees.
Crore? Even if you tell this to a foolish guy, he won't believe it, sir. You have kidnapped us and doing comedy?
Hey, I told you. You're a crazy man. You gave him the box and now you're asking them where the box is? You've only physically grown. You have nothing in your brain. Hey, what should I do now? You don't get it? You still don't get it? We've all been fooled. Hey, do you want to have a beer? I would love to, but I don't have the money. Here, take it. Go. Come on, boys, let's go. What are you waiting for? Beat them.
Sir, don't hit me, sir. Please, sir.
Sir, it's in my house, sir. Sir, it's in my house, sir. Please believe me, sir. It's in my house, sir.
Have a good look at this box. Is it the same box?
Yes, sir. The same model box, sir. It's in my house, sir.
Brother, you never allow me to steal any big thing, but you have taken a 1 crore box. This is not fair.
Hey, buddy. How did I know that something costly is that inside that box? I didn't know about that, buddy.
Yeah, don't lie to me now. I am sure you knew about it. You cheated your brother.
Why, you do have a good soul or what? You kept 5 lakhs that day with you, but you didn't tell me about that.
Huh? 5 lakhs is not big in front of 1 crore. Sir, you have to beat him up, sir. He is a cheater. He should not live.
Yeah,
finish
me. Finish me, sir. Come on, finish me. But I am the only person who know where is the box kept. Now you can decide whom you are shooting. Come on, boss. Come on, shoot.
Hey! Enough is enough. Tell me where's the box?
Box? It's at my house, sir.
Where's your house?
Very far away from here, sir.
Hey! On the way, if you try to do anything funny, this bullet will go through your chest. I'll shoot your brain too. Hey, come on, let's go.
He's shot! He's hit! Lift him! Yeah, lift him!
Who is this female?
Hey, cover my sister.
Oh my god!
What is this? Is this a video game?
Whoosh, man! Oh my god! Oh god! Hey, come on there, escaping man! Hey! Wait! Oh my god, they are gone! Oh my god, they are all gone! Oh, they have escaped! Oh my god!
Sister, that's not
I know.
But how did he?
I don't know how he got it. But still, he has given me a very good company. Wah, wah.
Get up! Don't beat me. Go down. Go. Keep quiet. Please. No.
Who was that man?
Kanjana, sir.
What?
Gun bite Kanjana, sir.
And she came looking for you. Over.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
Bloody fellow. The chaos that she created, 4 of my fellows have run away. Bloody shit fellows. I just need my box back. Hey, where is the box, man?
Wait, I'll ask him. Hey, where is the box?
What do I know? I think it must be definitely with him only.
Where is that fellow, man?
He has been kidnapped by Kanjana, sir.
Oh, she actually came looking for you now. Why did she take him? Now where do I go and search for her, man?
Tell him.
Shit. Sister, phone.
Talk.
Hello. Is that you?
Are you her?
No.
Then why did you answer the phone?
Then why did he
I
call?
want to talk to her.
I want to talk to him.
Give the phone to her.
I said give the phone to him.
Hey, speak to her. Ask your friend to come back.
No. I don't want to talk. You talk.
Hey, what will I speak, man?
You can definitely talk. Please. I don't want you talk.
Speak to her.
I show up porn movies and she's doing this to me.
See, I knew it. She does this with everybody. You don't worry, sir. You go ahead.
Hello. I am the owner speaking.
Where is he?
Where is that fellow?
I want him back.
I also want him back.
Exchange.
Okay.
Oof. What do we do now?
I wish Otto's over here. Otto!
Where do you want to go?
Oh my god. If they would have got a pregnant woman, she would have also delivered. Oh my god. Invisible scoundrels.
That's a very good movie. It's been running for 75 days.
You bloody scoundrel.
This dialogue is new. I haven't heard it before.
Now I'll keep repeating it very often. I thought she's a foreigner and she'll be punctual on time, but she's making us wait, huh? Wait, let her come. I have it for her.
Sir, you have no idea what she can do with you for 1 week. If she comes to know you spoke like this, she will take a video of you.
Hey, what are you saying, man?
Yes, sir. She is porn star.
Boss, I see an auto coming.
Hey, who's riding an auto in the middle of the forest, man?
That too a share auto?
Hey, it's our people only, man. Come.
And Richard.
Take them.
Boss, business.
Hey! Send him across.
Not possible. Send him across.
You first send him here, and then I'll send him there.
I won't trust the person who's wearing a blue shirt.
What, man? Watching blue is only a problem, right? Wearing blue is also a problem. Or what?
Most girls don't like the truth, boss.
Okay, now see my performance. Hey! Can we both do it together or what?
What?
Boss.
Hey, businessman, idiot. Where did I leave, man?
Sir, you both together can do something.
Hey! Why don't we do it at the same time? You send him, I'll send this fellow.
Okay.
Sir, I don't want to go. Please,
if you don't
please
go,
don't leave
he's
me,
not
sir.
gonna
I
come
don't want to
here.
go with her.
Go.
Please, sir.
Hey,
Please
don't
understand, sir.
stand
I
and argue
don't
here.
want
You
to
go,
sir.
you just go.
Go.
You can send him from here and take him from there. First give the money and send me from here.
Hey, stop pointing your guns, man. The fellow is returning will stop coming.
Brother, please save me from her, please.
I was planning to have the initial tomorrow, but you made us part away.
Brother, please
Leave me.
come with me.
Go. You go and enjoy with her, buddy.
Go, brother.
Go, buddy. You inquire about me to her. I'm always strong, buddy.
Hey, keep walking.
I'm coming, sir.
Why are you standing there and wondering about, man?
Sorry, sir.
Come on, pick him up.
Shit.
Kick him in.
Slowly.
Madam, I want to go with them.
Get inside.
Madam, please, madam.
Madam, you have to push the auto.
Shit.
Hey, the box. Where is the box?
Box. 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 Box.
Make it fast, man.
Box. Box. Now I remember. Now I remember, sir. Now I am able to remember, sir. My friend has cheated me, sir. I am able to remember now, sir. Sir, my friend has cheated me, sir. Believe me, sir. He's cheated me, sir. Sir, my friend has cheated me, sir. Sir, he's got the box, sir. Sir, please believe me. Don't shoot me, sir. Sir, please believe me. Catch him, sir. He's got the box, sir. Sir, believe me.
Phone. Phone is only for you.
Hello.
I want him.
I cannot give him.
Okay. 1 lakh. 10 lakhs?
Next bullet will be to his brain.
No.
Okay, you do one thing. First you send that guy and I will get the box and I will send him. Okay, thank you. He understood Hollywood English, mate.
Boss, when you spoke English, it sounded like a Hollywood trailer. Yeah, but if we give the box to her, then what will we do?
First let him come back.
And then?
When he comes, the box comes.
And then?
When the box comes, I'll make the bloody fellow dance.
Boss, you sound like an old-time villain, boss.
Why there's no light here?
Where's the box? What are they doing? Playing chess or what? Hey! Give me the box, man.
Here's the box,
You-
sir. Here's the box, sir. Box.
Check this.
Here.
Take this.
One more.
Yeah,
take
this
this.
too. What is it?
It's empty.
Where is it?
Sir.
Come on, pick him up. Come on, move. Move, man. What? You think you can joke around with me or what? You pay money to watch a movie, and I take money and then show a movie. So will you tell me or should I shoot you?
Sir, I actually don't know anything about it.
Hey, he told me that you know everything, man.
Sir, you're talking about some box, sir. But seriously, we don't know about that, sir. These kinds of boxes are available in all medical shops here, sir. If I get something like that, I will definitely give it to you, sir. Now, please leave us, sir.
You see, now he's telling that he's not going to give it back. This is not going to be of any use. I think I should shoot them.
Sir, I remember now. I remember now. I can tell you. Hey, I remember now. Hey, please tell, brother. Tell him.
sure he's got some
I
big
remember,
plan.
sir. I can tell you, sir. Don't worry, sir. Don't worry. I can tell you. I know where it is.
Come on, tell me fast. Tell me fast. Don't shout. Hey, don't shout, man. I'm allergic to loud noise. Whatever you want to say it in a low voice.
Okay, sir.
I didn't mean so softly, man.
I want your phone, sir.
Just give him the phone, man. It's a nice model only, do it.
It is locked, sir.
Hey, unlock it, man. Now what are you drawing on that? Hey, you have a phone in your hand. You could have called from that, na?
There is no balance, sir.
Hey, you sit there only. I'll take care of it. Hello?
My dear boss, it is me only, boss.
Hey, I know, man, the place where you are hiding now. I really appreciate your guts for calling me.
No, boss. I am in our own godown.
or go down. Be there. Be there. I'll be there in 5 minutes.
He will be here in 5 minutes, sir.
Who are these fellows? I have no idea. Hey, who are you guys? Without my knowledge, how did you get into my godown? Hello, sir. You here?
No.
You have been here for quite some time. You're the one who's late. You said somebody robbed your shop, right? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Are these the ones? Yes, sir. They are only the guys, sir. They are only the guys who robbed my shop, sir. Hey, you shift your gear, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. I asked you to shift your gear, not take a U-turn. Now what? You took my box and kept it in your shop and then told me that you lost it from your shop. And then what was I saying, man?
Sir, cheating.
Then cheated me. You guys are also working with me, na? Look at him, how he's helping me. Where did I stop?
Sir,
man?
box.
Where's the box? Which box, sir?
Oh my god, he is lying, sir. Hey boss, why are you lying? Finish him, sir. Finish him. Just kill him. He is lying to you. Just kill him. I'm telling you. You should kill him. I'm telling you, you should kill him. Right now. Right here.
You're not listening anything, sir. Easy, man. I told you now I'm allergic to noise. Therefore, please be silent. Hey, should I shoot you or not? Choice is yours, man.
Sir, you should shoot on his bald head.
Yeah. Should you tell me or should I shoot your head?
Hey, why are you giving such ideas, man?
I told his bald head.
Already he's too confused, man. Maybe he'll show the rifle to my side.
Yes, sir. I'll say it, sir. The box is with my brother-in-law only, sir. Oh my god.
Does he have a brother-in-law?
I don't know, buddy.
Hey, what is this? When I ask you, you say it is with him. He says it is with his brother-in-law. When that fellow is going to come, I don't know what he's going to say. Oh, what a...
Sir, torture.
Yes, torture. Hey, I'll talk whatever I want to talk. Why are you prompting me? You just keep quiet. Hey, where did I stop, man?
Sir. Brother-in-law should call and come.
Ask your brother-in-law to come immediately. Okay, sir. Thanks, man. Now you shut your mouth. Hello, bro. You immediately start and come to our godown. Those two thief guys are actually here only in my godown. Come fast, actually. Sir, my brother-in-law is coming only, sir, on the way. Till then, do you want anything to drink? Get up, man. Hey, sit down. You donkey. Sit down. Okay, sir. Robbers, bloody fellows. You're putting me in trouble, huh?
Sir, look at him. He is sitting in a relaxed posture. Look at him.
No, sir. Hey, what is this? Sir, my tummy will disturb, sir. That is because of too much of fat. Did I tell you to sit like this on the floor? Sit the way the guys next to you are sitting. Yeah, that's like a good ball. Hey, English lady, why are you laughing?
Sister, you tell him.
My assistant is enough for that. He would just finish him.
Who? This guy? What'll he do?
He will ask you to look on to the left and steal the box from the right.
What? Do you think you can do that? He only asked me to keep the gun. That woman is having such a big gun and you guys only have a pistol. Huh?
If you shoot, it's only my sister who will die. But if I shoot, then none of you will be alive.
Hey, who are you guys, man? Hey, what are you guys doing here, man? Sir, what are you doing here? That's what I'm supposed to ask. What are you doing here? I've told you 1,000 times not to come to our business place. There's nothing for you here. You carry on. Go. Sir, he is only actually my brother-in-law, sir. This guy.
He is the brother-in-law.
Which means the box is with him. Yes, sir. Hey, I know everything, man. You think you'll be able to fool me easily? You'll take my boxes and you'll take my money also, huh? Then you'll send people to kill me. You are actually a player, man. I don't have any box with me. You know one thing? The money you gave me, somebody stole it. Do you know who stole the money? Those two bloody idiots who were sitting there. Hey, are you the ones who did all this?
Without knowing, we stole that money, sir.
What else have you guys done, man? Oh my god. You robbed my brother-in-law's house also, huh?
Yes, boss. Both the houses.
Yeah, that is what. My house and my brother-in-law's house also.
Your brother-in-law's both the houses.
Bro, what is he saying, bro? Actually, I was stuck in a case. Shot her husband. Felt bad for her. That's why I gave her a life. Please don't be bothered with all these things.
Rascal, he borrowed 10 lakhs rupees from my sister and left.
From my shop also 1 lakh rupees is missing, sir.
First give my sister's money.
They urinated in my whiskey bottle, sir.
Hey, that's
oh my god, urinated, huh? First you get my 1 lakh rupees, sir. Hey, Stop it. He stole the box from me, right? That might be worth about a crore, huh? Over and above that, you have stolen 10 lakhs rupees from this guy.
You heard that? 10 lakhs.
Then you have stolen 1 lakh from your owner.
Now 11 lakhs.
My sister's money.
Hey, just hang on, dear. Talking as if I have hacked her sister's money. Wait, I'll clarify. Then you have taken 10 lakhs rupees from this English lady also.
Now 21 lakhs.
You're very good in calculations. Why are you working with me, man? You could have worked somewhere else, na? Now, where did I stop?
Sir, you forgot about these English
Hey.
people. No. You actually told about them.
Now, if you just give me the box back to me, I will settle all their dues, man.
My sister's money.
Yeah, I'll give you that also.
But sir, then what about my money?
I'll give you also, man. So finally, what you're giving?
Yeah,
now?
I will give.
Okay, come. Hey, lift everybody. Come
Only
on.
shifting, no escape. Get up, come on, get up.
I think I forgot something, man. Hey, just pack up everything from here. Huh? Hey. How many times have you seen in movies here? When you see the sword, just put your guns down. Just put it down, man.
You came to my place, put the gun in my mouth and threatened me? First I'll kill the guy who touched my daughter. And then I'll kill all of you. Hey, you guys, what are you waiting for?
Look on the other side.
Buddy, so many twists and turns, buddy.
Sister, can I shoot this guy?
Hey, wait, dear. You and your sister only think about shooting people down. Hey, the affection that a foreigner has, the Indian people doesn't have. I'm talking to you, and what are you watching?
I'm looking at the watch, boss. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Do you know what day it is today?
What?
It's your birthday!
Oh, yeah, I seriously forgot that.
Hey.
Thank you.
Bring the cake!
Buddy, just see
Hey,
that.
what is all this, man?
Who's the boss here?
He's standing in front of you.
Oh, fine. Can you just sign here, sir? Birthday wishes from Amazon, sir. Have a nice party.
Thank you. What is all this, man? What is this? Huh? Table salt doesn't have an order, man.
Yeah, you're right,
Hey,
boss.
let me speak, man. But if you don't put it in the food, it's actually insipid, man. Insipid, man.
Boss.
People order food from Amazon, but you have ordered something really amazing, man.
Yeah, boss. Cut the cake.
Wait, I'm coming.
You're the greatest boss. You're the only one who cut his birthday cake with a sword.
But something is missing, man.
Sir?
Huh?
Birthday song, sir.
Oh, my wonderful boy. You only sing, right?
Okay, sir.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Idiot.
Happy birthday, dear Nanachi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to dear boss.
Encounter! Not even a single one should be left alive.
Not a single one is alive.
Oh my God, our guardian angel, huh? What a story this is. Not a single woman, it's a woman itself, huh? What do you say, man? Hey, you killed everybody in the encounter, huh? If you do, it's only a counter. Only if I do, will it be an encounter. Goodbye then. Ah.
He's a theatre owner. Must have seen a lot of movies. That's why must be confused.
How are we going to prove this, madam?
These gangsters already had problem among themselves. That's why they would have shot people all around. They shot even our inspector who was their partner. CBI will have an inquiry. Media will be excited about this. Home Minister will have a little bit of pressure. The moment there is a different problem, everybody will forget. That's all.
Brother, everybody died. Let us escape from here now.
What happened? Come, let's go.
Where will I come? I don't have any money at all with me. Where will we go now?
Keep it.
What is this? How will I go to London with this?
London. Keep this also.
Yeah, you only keep everything. You have 5 lakhs with you and you will take care of everything now. Go.
Open your mind and tell me, buddy.
Brother, you have 5 lakh rupees at home, no? If you give me some money, then I will also survive,
Some
na?
money. How much you want, buddy?
Half of it.
Half the amount. Buddy, I have a family, buddy. You know that. Where did you go? Buddy, where are you? When did this happen, buddy?
Morning, I saw her at the temple. Now she is my family. Baby coming soon.
Good decision. Come. Come, let's go.
Come on.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Come, Daddy, come.
Are you back? I'm gonna beat you, idiot. Are you finished roaming the town? I asked you to buy medicine for my knee pain. Did you buy them? I'm sure you haven't bought them. Also, some medicines over here.
You always say this, but you don't do it, mom.
You think I won't die, is it? Your mother very support woman.
Okay.
Listen, little one. Give the medicine box. I'm gonna eat everything and die over here.
grandmother.
We will go to London. Don't worry about
Buddy.
it. Huh?
Keep it. Count it, buddy.
Thanks, brother.
Daddy, grandmother really bad ship. I'm really scared.
What had happened here?
I don't know. Why didn't you come and have a
What
look?
happened to her?
Okay, you girl, come. Go.
Come, let's see.
Mom! What happened, mom?
Brother, your mom is giving pose for selfie.
Hey, just keep quiet, buddy. What happened to your grandmother? Which
I
medicine
didn't know
did you give
anything, Dad. I just give you the medicine from this box.
Brother, this is the same box.
This box is worth 1 crore rupees.
1 crore?
1 crore! Take my children, leave immediately, mom.
Don't forget to take the medicine for me.
I'm bringing all the medicine. Take which one you want.